Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Home Designs. So viewers, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I will show you most trending type of ideas about neon lighting that can decorate your bedroom or your living room, whatever the way you want to decorate your house with these neon lighting. So as you know, I am showing you about the different type of decorating ideas of your dream house. So in this video, I will tell you top trending styles of neon lighting that can make your bedroom very beautiful, very lighting bright and gloomy. Especially mirrors that we know are very trending nowadays. In the rooms of girls' bedroom, you can see here several type of ideas and designs. Especially, I'm talking about the mirrors which have curvy shape. Either they have rectangle shape or circular shape or curvy shape. Curvy shape specifically are very trending nowadays. These curvy shaped mirrors have a neon lighting along its structure that makes the appearance very beautiful. So as you know, girls' bedroom are a sort of pink color and very bright lighting. So if you have this type of mirrors in your bedroom, you will see a great change. So guys, do try these trending ideas for decorating your bedroom. If you like the idea, subscribe this channel and like this video. Keep watching the whole channel for more updates.